Hello, I'm Gavin from the CS team, and today we're going to be talking about the CTA bot within the Leadu platform. What is a CTA bot, you may ask? So let's show you a live example. On our pricing page, you can see that we have one for book a demo. If I click this option, it'll pop out a little form to encourage people to book a demo, request a callback. It's very good for people who are further down the funnel, who are ready to speak to an agent or a sales rep. So it's great for those bottom of the funnel conversions to try and get people to really engage then and there. But that's not to say it's not also good for people further up the funnel. So it's also very good for newsletter signups or spot offers. So sign up to win, or seasonal options like Black Friday deals, things like that. So it's really good for those as well. So how to make them? Head back over to the Leadu platform. We'll go to Conversion Kit and CTA Bot. So from here, we're just going to click Build New Bot, and you'll see similar settings to the other bots that we have. So in terms of the triggers, this is where we'll start. So we can put in the CTA message, and that will be what appears on the actual pop out. So we'll just say book a demo. We can position it in the left-hand side of the screen or the right-hand side of the screen, either top, middle, or bottom. And it can be set to auto-open after a certain amount of seconds or after a certain scroll percentage or immediately on page loading. Now, in terms of triggering this bot to make it appear, it is controlled by the dynamic script that you should have in your header by now. And then from there, it's just a matter of pasting in the URL that you would like to put in. So in this case, we would have put in Leadu pricing. You don't need the HTTPs there, so that is enough. And that will be able to show that bot on that page. You'll also notice that you can change it for desktop or mobile. So what you'll find is that depending on what is here, it can be quite large on mobile. So you can say different on mobile, and this what we can do is just add an emoji instead of, it could just be book a call. Instead of saying book a call, it can just be the actual phone itself. In terms of the form, then this is just a standard form builder that we have in the platform. We can decide what we want to ask the prospects. So we can look at the header and the subheading. So we've got get in touch and leave your contact request here. In terms of the fields, then we can ask for the questions that we would like. From the drop downs, we can do name, first name, last name, country. We can add specific messages, rainbow buttons, customize the form however you would like. Generally speaking, shorter the better. No more than 5 really. The idea is this is a quick contact form. We're trying to get them to engage quickly. So, name and phone is ideal if we're just trying to get a call back. From here, we can decide what we want to say when they submit and a successful message. In terms of the style, we have got other videos to show you how to adjust the style of the bots. This works in the same way. So we can have themes that we would like. So either you can use one that you already have, or you can make a new one for this bot specifically. So we can adjust the background color, the header text. We can adjust the font size, the CTA color, which is the actual pop out itself, and the success color icon, things like that. You'll also be able to add headers and footer brackets as well to make it pop a little more if you need. Moving on to notifications, we will decide the lead criteria. Generally speaking, we would say email or phone, but of course you can update this to whatever you would like. And then from here, you can decide on who to send the notifications to. No need for code in this one, really, because we're going to use the header code on the site, and we've already spoke about the triggers. And then in terms of the advanced options, we have send bot discussion after 10 minutes. So we just leave those as default. Basically, that means that as soon as someone triggers the lead, that's how long it waits before we send it, because there may be extra options within the bot, but not in this case. And so once that is done, we're just going to click, we're going to give it a name first. We'll say book a demo. I'm going to click save. And then that'll be live. And then what we'll see is it'll appear on the page just like this. Whenever they click send, that'll generate the leads for you, as you would expect. All right. Thank you.